Hi, this is Kent with Jones and Associates. We're in the beautiful city of Cleveland. We're located at 140 North Ocoee Street, right across the street from the courthouse. This is part 5A in a series that we've put together on what to tell your lawyer when you're getting divorced. Our experience has been that the first time that someone comes into the office and either has been served with divorce papers or are ready to file for a divorce, they'll have a little bit put together, but there's a lot of stuff that we're going to ask for, and if you have it up front, it helps a great deal in facilitating the process and eliminating a lot of the attorney time and putting the divorce together. I guess one of the most important things to bring in are your bank statements so we can see how much each of you make. That will be, if you have children, that's going to be in the child support calculator, and if you don't, it still may be considered in terms of alimony. Proof of income falls into pretty much the same category. Loan documents, who took out the loan, why did they take it out? Was it for their business? Was it personal? Was it for the family? And who's going to deal with the debt? And if it goes really far and it's a lot of debt and you have to talk to a bankruptcy attorney, then we know a few good ones up here in Cleveland, but I don't do that type of law, but that can be a consideration in this situation. Utility bills, to find out, how much each person is going to end up having to pay on a monthly basis for utilities after the divorce is completed. Employment contracts, so we can discover if someone actually has a contract with their employer and it specifies how much money they're going to make and for how long, and that all goes into child support, it goes into alimony and other areas. Retirement account statements, I know we've talked earlier about the fact that at first thought you think, well, it's my retirement account, it's all mine. Well, maybe, it may not be. It depends on how the court looks at it and whether or not the fact that you've been able to accumulate all that money in your retirement account had to do with the fact that your other spouse was at home taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, and all that sort of thing, which contributed to your ability to add to your retirement account. Prenuptial agreements. I've done quite a few of them. I would say in my experience, it's about 50-50, probably less than 50% of people that have those drafted. If there is a significant amount of money involved early on when you're getting into the marriage, that's when we start thinking about them and putting them together. And believe it or not, it helps if you're into that kind of thing, because it in essence provides a roadmap of what we're going to do once we get into the divorce situation. I've got some prenuptial agreements that are very simple. I got some that are extremely complicated when you're dealing with parties that have stocks and inheritance and lots of assets and many different types of vehicles. Pension statements, I think we've covered that, and retirement falls into the same category as 401ks, retirement income, and that sort of thing. Again, it can be considered separate property, and it could ultimately be considered to be marital property. That is the end of part 5A of the series. We're going to wrap it up there and move on. Hope everybody's having a good day. There's a good baseball game on tonight. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a bit. Bye.